Today we're talking about a big acquisition that happened in the stock market, and this market refuses to bounce back. Today is January 18th, 2022. It's Tuesday. Markets were closed yesterday. They got the crap kicked out of them today again. It is snowmaggedon here in southern Ontario still. We have not gotten a plow on our street. It's been 2 days, 2 feet of snow. It's kind of pandemonium. People are locked in their houses still a little bit. It's getting better, but we haven't got the plow yet. Waiting for that to come by before we can actually get out in the world again. But let's jump into the stock market here and see what's been going on. Last week, I noted that we had this nice green candle, which was a bounce back candle because it went lower and then went a little bit higher up and pushed up higher. Well, today, after the market being closed yesterday on Monday for Martin Luther King Day, we went down and we had a rough day today. It was nearly, well, I think it's about a 2% decline today. Yeah. Oh, just about a 1% decline. Anyway, but from the close yesterday, last week, it's closer to 2, and it touched a 2 and closed at 1.8. So it was a big move today, and that's why we don't trade on a single candle pattern. Remember last week, if you got to watch the video, it was one candle. We went to see number 2 here for it to confirm the breakout. Now we're still in this downtrend here that we started. We're still heading this way, so we need to look for a candle to go up 1 and then up 2 before we break out of this thing. And we can confirm that on the NASDAQ, same kind of thing. We're in this downtrend as well, heading down. So we don't ever trade on one candle. We always wait for 2. And we're just looking for this to bottom out somewhere before we go in and make any kind of trader movement, in my opinion. And that could be at this area, the 450 area for the SPY. Remains to be seen. But one thing I also noted last week was Etsy. I was waiting for Etsy to bottom out and find some support. And if we zoom out on the chart, we might be getting to that point here where we've now come down. We've kind of tapered out. We had a green day today, or almost a green day versus the market. That was totally wiped out. And Etsy's kind of bottoming out here. So I'm looking for this one. I might be intrigued enough to pull a position together by the end of this week. But I'm still waiting to see what Friday holds because of the options expiring on Friday with a lot of extra volume. So that's on the docket for this week. I'm kind of just standing pat right now, monitoring things again, waiting for that knife to fall and waiting for it to land on the table and then bounce back up. So we haven't seen that yet. We could still pull back into this area. Remains to be seen. In other news, Microsoft got beaten down today pretty good. It tried to rally a bit, but it ended up closing lower, and it released big news that they are going to buy Activision Blizzard. Okay, $68.7 billion. If you guys don't know what Activision Blizzard is, it's a video game company. They are responsible for Call of Duty, the Diablo franchise, Tony Hawk Pro Skater, a lot of big names on that game platform. However, the company's been kind of mired in this slump, and the stock price has been declining. The number of users every month have been declining, all because the company's being mismanaged. There's rumors and accusations of sexual harassment in the workplace, and Microsoft's coming in to swoop them up. And the biggest thing here for me is that they're acquiring these games and these rights to these names that Activision has produced, but they're also acquiring around 23 million new users that were previously under the Activision Blizzard moniker, and they're paying up for them. Like $68.7 billion is not cheap. It's about $3,000 per user, but if you can take those guys or girls and recapitalize them in a different way, there's 23 more million people that they can actually speak to and they can market to, and they can continue to build their brand. So big news on Microsoft and Activision. I expect this to bode well moving into Microsoft's earnings later this month or early February. We'll see how it plays up, but wanted to get you guys up to speed on that one. Keep that in the back of your mind moving forward. Activision stock was up big today. Microsoft was kind of even keel. It dropped and went back up. We'll see how this one plays out, but I think it's a bullish sign for the company, taking another swing and adding to their growing gaming portfolio. They're not just a software company. They're expanding. They're growing. They're kind of staying as current as they can as we move towards the new world, the new metaverse. That's all for today. Check in tomorrow again for another market update. And stay safe out there. Stay warm. Snowmageddon's here. Let's make the best of it. Thanks for watching.